kilograms mutton leg piece. Deep cut it with sharp knife. Take yogurt half teacup and whisk it. Add 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. Add kakri powder 1 tablespoon or papaya powder. 1 or 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Add vinegar 2 tablespoons. Add lemon juice 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoon chili sauce. Add coriander seed powder 1 tablespoon. Add 1½ tablespoon chaat masala. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Zira powder 1 tablespoon. Add salt 1½ tablespoon. Black pepper 1/4 tablespoon. Add some amount of yellow food color. Mix it all well. Rub the mixture on leg piece well. Cover it with lamination sheet. Put it in fridge for minimum 10 hours. Cover it with aluminium foil. Take a cooker, add cinnamon. Add black pepper. Add star anise. Add white cumin seeds. Add fennel. Add coriander seed. Add curry powder. Add black cardamom. Add green cardamom. Add water 1.5 liter. Add cooking oil 1 tablespoon. Put steamer on it. Put covered leg piece on steamer. Put cover on it. Steam flame for 75 minutes after whistle. Open it carefully. Take plain bottom pan. Add 1 cup cooking oil and heat it. Take a plate and grease it with oil. Take leg piece and put it in plate. Put the piece in pan. Roast 5 minutes from one side and 5 minutes from another side on medium flame. Turn off the flame and take out the piece. And finally, our roasted leg piece is ready. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more.